Welcome to Queenstown, and you're watching a Fantastic Four.
Hey guys, we are in Queenstown, Tasmania, and we are staying at Joy's place, and she has a series of cottages here, several cottages, and we're staying in one of them, extremely charming place. We are outside in the community garden, which is free for everyone that stays here, and we made good use of it. We've had spinach out of here, we've had thyme, we've had rosemary, she has lots of herbs, she has some tomato plants behind us. It's just been wonderful to utilize the garden. So just wanted to show you this because it was a big part of our stay, but we'll go inside and Rhonda will show you around inside. So we just walk out of our garden here, and our cottage is right next door. So let's see if Rhonda is home. Here's our front door, our front porch. It's very cute. And there is Rhonda. She is also very cute.
Sweet. All right, if you come in here, we're gonna start in this little hallway right here because it leads down to the bedroom where Mitchell and I slept. So this was a lovely room because it's on one side of the house, and where the girls slept was on the other side of the house, so it's been nice to have a little privacy. We like this room for a couple of reasons. The nice, lovely, big queen bed. The wooden shutters, which are throughout the entire little cottage, were lovely because they would shut out the light in the mornings. And then what we loved about this, which we thought was interesting, was if you can see there are cupboards up here, and then there's a frame that kind of goes around both sides of the bed. And it looks like there used to be doors here. So I think what they did was they took the closet doors off so they could tuck the bed inside the closet. So I just really liked that feature and thought it was pretty cool. And then throughout the entire cottage, there's this vintage furniture everywhere, which I really liked as well. It just gave it a really nice, homey feeling. In fact, there's some repurposed wood hanging just outside this door. There's a little plaque on it that says that it was made out of an 80-year-old wood stove. So if you come out here, I'll show you that rack, which is right here. This wood is actually really beautiful. And then I'm going to take you right around the corner in here to the bathroom. I'll let Mitchell go in first. So this bathroom is just a conventional Western style bathroom with a nice big stall for the shower. And what our favorite feature was this tall towel rack because it's heated, which doesn't sound like much, but when the temperatures get down to 40 or 50 degrees Fahrenheit in the night and you don't have any heat, it was really nice to have a heated towel in the morning for a shower. One other thing I really liked was this piece of wood that was made into a shelf here along the shower stall wall. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's actually made out of hewn pine maybe, because it seems to be sort of the thing around here. Hewn is H-U-O-N, and we've been learning a lot about that during our stay. So it may or not be made of that, but I'm going to pretend that it is. So come on out here. This is our living space slash kitchen slash dining area. And again, you can see there's a couch and two chairs here. Seems like vintage style fabric on them, an old lamp, and this really nice big table here that we used for dining. And then while we've stayed here, the host has provided sort of a just continental breakfast. So we have these butters and jellies. We have enjoyed and almost completed an entire bowl of apples, and they provided juice and milk, so it's been really enjoyable having breakfast here in the morning. So if you look at the kitchen here, we have a short refrigerator, which is nice, a microwave and a toaster oven, and a toaster and a heating pot for water, but there wasn't a stove in this particular cottage, which ended up being just fine. So we didn't miss it at all. There was an electric skillet, so again, we were able to make our meals here, but we just didn't have the use of a stove or an oven. I'm gonna take you into the room across here where the girls slept. Again, this is, we have the shutters, the wooden shutters here. We have two twin beds and some vintage furniture, and this was a really comfortable place for the girls to sleep. And again, it was really nice just to have the privacy. They were on one side of the cottage and we were on the other side of the cottage. So this is it. This is our space here in Queenstown, and we are really enjoying it. And as always, we hope you're enjoying our videos so much that maybe you'd give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, we hope that you will subscribe to our channel because we have many, many more videos coming your way. Have a great day. Bye.